Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken unlocked. To begin, you will need to create an account and complete the starter verification. This initial step is quick, usually taking just 1 or 2 minutes. You'll provide basic personal details like your full legal name, date of birth, and country of residence. This level allows you to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies, but with relatively small limits, making it suitable for those just starting out or testing the platform. Moving up, the intermediate verification level is often the sweet spot for most users. It unlocks substantially higher deposit and withdrawal limits for both cryptocurrencies and traditional fiat currencies. With this level, you can also engage in margin trading and access Kraken's over-the-counter desk. To achieve intermediate status, you'll need to provide a valid government-issued identification and proof of your residential address. This verification typically completes in under 30 minutes. For those requiring the highest possible limits, the Pro Personal Account is the ultimate level. It's designed for high-volume traders and institutions, offering maximum deposit and withdrawal capabilities, often reaching $10 million daily for cryptocurrency withdrawals. To qualify, you'll submit more detailed information, potentially including financial statements. Since this level involves a manual review by a dedicated team, the verification process can take a few days to complete, ensuring thorough compliance. Choosing the right verification level depends entirely on your trading activity and needs. Whether you're a casual user or a high-volume trader, Kraken has a level for you. Remember to always provide clear and accurate documents to avoid delays in the verification process. For added peace of mind and to protect your assets, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account. This simple step significantly enhances your security on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.